Okay, welcome to another Injee update video. So today we are announcing a new feature that's been implemented in Injee. So let me tell about it. So our web pages aren't updated, but yeah, we finished this feature. So this data feature, that is, like you'll be able to have some JSON files, and then you can import those JSON files into a table in Injee. So let's say like you are a new developer and you're starting a project. You might need some data, right? Maybe you might need some kind of fake user data, or you might want to implement a countries drop down, and you might need a list of countries and so on and so forth. So that feature we just implemented. So let's see how to do it. So okay, so like I'm just having docs over here. So okay, so let me just run Injee with Docker, right? So I'll just first pull this one, right? So let me make it bigger. Right? So I'll just first pull this one, right? Already I have a folder called Injee Docker, and in this I have like three folders like backups, files, and views. So now let me just pull it, right? So oh, okay, it's already there, right? So now all I just need to do is like I also have this folder, right? So and now all I just need to do is to run this one, right? So that's it, and Injee will run, right? Okay, right. So it's running, right? So and now, okay, like let me just put another terminal over here, right? So and I can go to any folder because yeah, let me just go to the home folder. Now let me look at listing tables, right? So okay, so this is the curl command to list uh, tables. Wait a second, wait a second. Let me just take it here. Sure. Right. Okay. So this is the curl command to list tables. Okay, so and definitely there are no tables. Okay, so that's the thing. So we need, it's better to have some tables and load some values to get started with project, right? So now I'm just going to this section called loading data, right? So, okay, so there is a file called, okay, Injee data people, right? So, and this is the file, right? So this is actually a JSON file, right? And this is how usually, this is the format that Injee supports, like array of, what to say, JSON objects. So that's the thing, right? So what I'm just doing is like, okay, like I'll just copy this curl command. Okay, so, and okay, like, okay, I'll just copy it and I'll also explain you the curl command, right? Okay, so let me just explain the curl command. So yeah, you have data somewhere in the internet, or maybe you can even put it in the local, in your local system, and you can give the path. No problem about it. And you're going to load it into a table called people. Right? So that's the thing. And let me execute it. Okay, so it just says it loaded. Okay, so now let me just list tables, and there is a table called people, and now let me just get all the people, right? So yeah, right. So you just have this John Doe and all those stuff, and what it does is apart from the data that is present over here, it has put created at, updated at, and it also puts an ID. So you just have a table. So in what to say, maybe in the future we will just beef up this data repository in Injee. Like, where can I look at Injee code? Okay, so okay, so yeah, so this is the Injee code. So this is where we store all our code repositories. So maybe yeah, it is actually over here. So maybe in the future, like we will just beef up more files like countries and this thing and that thing, so that you'll have something to load and get started with your projects easily. Yeah. Injee is there to make your JavaScript development or front-end development far easier, right? So, and we will take whatever steps we can do so that it becomes easier for you, right? Anyway, thanks for watching. Until we meet next time, bye.